Check, 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 check.
Thank you, sir.
Check.
Bass vocals, please. I'll get your monitors in a sec.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hey.
Bass vocals are in 16, they're in one place. Okay, Andy. All right, go ahead. Thank you.
6 9 6 5 9 2 2 hey hey
Drum vocals, please.
Anything works.
Thank you.
Nice. Wisconsin Badgers.
Gold Badgers, Gold Badgers, go! Check 1 2 hey 2 Goldie Red, yeah. Check 2.
All right, thank you. Tim, what would you like in your monitor, sir?
Just the vocals, just the 2 vocals.
Just the 2 vocals.
Oh,
Ooh, 2 1 2.
We don't know.
Yes. 2 yes. Ooh. That's good. Murder. Murder. Murder.
All right, bass player, what would you like in your monitor, sir?
Just vocals, please.
Just vocals, sir.
Yo, Mickey. There you are, Dan. Yo, Mickey. Where are you, Timmy? Blow my mind. Talk to me, Timmy. Hey. Oh. There you are. All the vocals also, and maybe check 2. You can come down on that one for sure. Check. 1 2. Okay, guys. Hey, 2. Danny. Dan.
Yes.
Dan. Hey, Dan.
Yes.
Hey. You can come down on that bass vocal on the drum monitor too.
Gotcha.
2. Hey. Ha. That's good. That's all good. Maybe a little kick. Just a little bit. Really don't need much. I'm probably all right. Hey, 2. Good. Want us to run through something for you?
Yes, if you would.
Hey for the horse.
I'm not a horse. Hang on just a sec, guys. I'm sorry. We seem to have strained the circuit.
I was saying, man, the bass sounds real punchy.
Yeah, all of a sudden, I was going to say, he hasn't put it in the house yet. I'm hearing everything from the stage. Yeah, it sounded really,
I thought
great.
maybe you had only the vocals coming
Kaplam!
through. Well, they haven't started singing. Maybe only the vocals are coming through the house.
No. Got the world in the house, but...
I don't have a program in there on the tax rate.
Internet, that devil music, that rock and roll.
Yeah, it did.
We'll get it squared away, but I think what we
Start
did,
with a good live
we
set.
browned the circuit out.
Hey Fluffy, when you get a sack, is there tape, duct tape or gaff tape?
Yeah, in the
Like
green
right
box.
here for duct tape? Yeah, just in this. Oh, you got some? Yeah, just like a little piece. That'd be great.
Joe is going out.
So now we have one
We leave it on top on the for the
It ain't worth a lot.
That's a prime right there.
Got something now.
Yeah. I'm going to pull everything down just a hair. So I'm going to have to switch over the power conditioner in line when he gets back.
Warming it up at the Stoney Badger.
Hoggy Dog in the house.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. Hi, man.
Yeah, after they're done. All right, we should be good for you guys to check.
He's alive. Miss Webster. Miss Webster. Miss Webster. Miss Webster. Mind your tone. Stephanie's here. Mind your tone.
If you want to give it a whirl, both of us like balance those out.
Miss Webster. Miss Webster. Miss Webster. Miss Webster.
Just like that. Kill it and look through the house. It sounded really good without the house.
Oh, you don't need to. No, the drums are already in. I'll play with you guys if you want me to do a sound check. As long as it doesn't interfere with my tenor. Mind your tone. Push.
Should we do it again?
Yeah, please.
What you're saying, where do you go? Don't know what you're saying. Hey, 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 what you doing? Hey, 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 what you doing? Go. Don't know who you're praying to. Where do you go? Don't know who you're praying to. Hey, 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 what you doing? Hey, hey, what you doing? you thinking?
Hey Dave, you have much of Tim coming through the house you don't, do you? Yeah, that's a fair amount. Is it really? Then you tried turning him. It sounded like it was coming from his amp. I was going to have him turn down a little, but if you have a lot, he's a little too loud in the mix. His guitar, not his vocal, his guitar.
He's out of.
Oh, I'll turn it down.
I think your stage volume needs to come down just a
How's that?
I have to hear it with everything else.
Do it again.
Hey, Dave,
Just do one.
could I get a little more of my vocal in the monitor? Just a hair. Just a hair. And two. Hey, 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 two. Thank you. And you could take that him down in the drum monitor, the bass vocal down again a little more. And then while you're at it, if you could bleed a little guitar in my monitor, just a little bit. Wait, we'll do a little more of that. Oh.
What you say? Where do you go? Don't know what you say. Hey, 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 what you thinking? Hey, 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 what you thinking? Is that better?
That's great now, yeah. That's really good.
Two. Yeah. Monitors sound good.
We're alright if you're alright.
And Dave, you could also, one more thing for the drum monitor, just take Tim's vocal down just a hair in that, which I never asked for that, but that's good.
Okay, and then.
Thank you, sir.
Just power on and go on. That little red button in front of the recorder. No problem.
Oh, do you need checking for Dan's monitor?
Yeah, that's good.
Good.
Hey, two.
Okay, there we go.
All right. Yes.
And
on to your side.
hit record.
Well, just because I wanted him to look in the same way as the leader.
Look like it's talking, it's doing straight.
Yeah, red light's on now. Yeah, it's got two
I was wondering if you wouldn't mind marrying me too much.
right now.
Over here, I would never see him tonight.
Oh, that's because I'm so
I was wondering if you wouldn't mind marrying me too much.
You need any more Dave?
Just see if it's running next to anything electrical.
You gotta sound better.
What do you think?
It should. That's the one you just put batteries in.
formula is interesting. They're using our base, our drone, so it's looking at spot set up for us. They're using it, so switch up. Probably won't want to use that.
Okay. Now I see why you use the 57A. I wondered. Oh, now I understand.
That's why you didn't want to switch it out for max.
Yeah. We'll run a second. Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
Unplug it from the snake side.
That's okay to do it now?
Yeah, do it now. Joe, let's shut the board down and switch that in.
They want the speaker in my shirt. Hang on 2 seconds.
Oh, yeah.